CATIA V5, let's see, if you ever encountered this problem, some elements of the family have children out of the family, continue move, and you're gonna click OK, and the object will not move. Let's take a look at how we can fix this. Let's take a look how we can copy a scaled object within Digital Shape Editor. So as you can see over here, I have the following part, name layout, I have a part body, and I have some padded elements over here to define the wall of the room, and also some imported STL files. So we have the surgery table that was scaled over here underneath scaling. We're gonna see we have that. And afterwards, we're gonna have the following cabinet. So this will be scaling 2 and scaling 3. We're gonna see that it will be the same cabinet position over here. So this was copy and pasted over here. Now the question is how you can move this. If, for example, I will select the scaling and I will enable the compass to snap automatically, I will reselect the scaling, we're going to see that we're going to have the green compass position on top. But if I will try to drag that along, we're going to see that some elements of the family have children out of the family. This is the warning message that we receive. So continue to move. I will click on yes, but we're going to see that we are not going to be able to do that. Now, in order to fix this, we can just simply make use of additional part bodies. So within the layout, I will insert a new body, which will be over here. And I will select the scaling tree over here, and I will copy this and paste it as special as a result underneath that new body. We're going to have that appearing over here as a point cloud. So now I can just select that, and we're going to see that we can easily manipulate it. In this case, this will have the default STL color. You can just change that within the graphic editor, graphic properties. So I can go for more colors and I can make this a gray color. So this is how you can copy scaled STL files if you want to create a layout within CATIA. As you can see over here, we can add graphical elements quite fast using STL files, but keep in mind that later, if you want to work with them, you will have to convert those into, let's say, surfaces within generative shape design and quick surface reconstruction, so you can work with those. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I will position a like and subscribe animation on the bottom. You will find a similar video on the left and the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.